in my rice cooker, and here's the result. And so I'm going to weigh and measure this out so that I can freeze it, weighed in ounces. I'm weighing this into 3-ounce servings. So, 3 ounces. And we'll just keep going on this. Anyway, we'll finish doing that, and then after we finish doing that, we will close each of these baggies up and roll them up like so. Seal them. Here's my quart baggie. And I just put these rolled up baggies of my 3-ounce servings into a quart baggie like this. Get all the air out. There you go. And I'll label this, what it is, and the date, and then I'll put it in the freezer. And then, as needed, I'll just pull out what I need. I'll just put it in the microwave, heat it up, and we're ready to go. So, thank you for watching. See you next time.